Good day. This is our next video on the prelim paper of Gauteng, paper 1 2018. We're doing question 8 and 9. It shows you how to work out the derivative. The question 8 reads, given f of x equals 1 minus 3x squared, determine the first derivative from first principles. And then, after that, hence, calculate the gradient of a tangent to this f at x equals to 2. First, we write down the formula from the formula sheet. Then, to work out f of x plus h, we write it somewhere separately and plug it into this equation and work out what the value of f of x plus h is. Then we rewrite this part over here minus the original function there, which we wrote there in a bracket. Simplify the top a bit. Simplify it further. Factorize the h out at the top so we can cancel them. Then cancel them. Replace the h with 0 and drop the limit. Your final answer is minus 6x. So f accent of x is minus 6x. Please stop the video and get your brain around all these calculations and writing. Now that we have the first derivative, they ask us calculate the gradient of a tangent to f at x equals to 2. Then we take that 2 and plug it into the place of x into the derivative. The derivative is actually a formula to find the gradient anywhere on a curve. So we just take that x value, plug it in the place of x, and there is our gradient of the tangent where x is 2. Stop the video and get your brain around this question. The next question says, determine the following. Determine d of t of this. They're asking, derive this, find the first derivative. We take the expression they gave us and simplify the two brackets out, multiply them out. Then it looks like this. Now we can derive it. So you take the 2 in the air times the 1 in front, and then minus 1 in the air gives you 2t to the power of 1. Take the 1 in the air times the 1 in front, minus 1 in the air gives you 1t to the power of 0, which is 1. This is your first derivative. Please stop the video and get your brain around this one. Same question, determine the following. Derive this. We take this expression, use the distributive law and divide the x in there and there. You can even write it out like that. When you simplify this, the expression will look like this. Take the x out from under the line and make it an x to the power of minus 1. Now we're ready to derive. You take the thing in the air times the thing in front, minus 1 in the air, like I wrote here. Take the thing in the air times the thing in front, minus 1 in the air, like we did here. Then our final answer is 10x plus 4x to the power of minus 2. That's your derivative. Please stop the video and look at this problem. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked the video and subscribe to the channel. If you run into any problem with derivatives, you can send a clear WhatsApp photo of your problem to this number and a clear WhatsApp photo of where you tried it. Then we will try and solve the problem for you and send back an answer as soon as possible. Enjoy derivatives.